you, thank you. My God, I feel the love. Thank you, thank you. Those screams were for me, right? Okay. Oh, all flying kisses and all of that coming this way. I really feel your love. Thank you so much. So, guys, we will rock you. Probably I will rock you. Okay, so the dinner is going to take some time to come on. So until the dinner, I'm going to entertain you along with my bunch of dancers and performers who I have backstage. So before that, I want you all to stand up, put your hands together, and let's give it up for Magnum 2014, shall we? You gotta dance like there's no one watching, sing like there's no one listening, love like you'll never be hurt, and live life like it's heaven on earth. So you follow these 4 things, and guess what? You'll have the best of your life. So are you with me, people? How many young single boys out here? I asked for boys and I see the ladies putting their hands up. It's okay, I swing both ways, darling, so you don't have to worry about that. Before I can introduce your next performance, we're going to have a small game. Now before the small game, a few announcements, and ladies and gentlemen, please do pay attention to these announcements. Number 1, I've been told that some of you who are seated out here have still not gotten yourselves registered. So a polite request going out to all those of you who haven't gotten yourselves registered to get to the registration desks and get yourselves registered. Number 2, all the recipients of the 5-year, 10-year, 15-year and loyalty awards kindly request you all to occupy the first 4 rows. These are specially arranged for you and it's more convenient for you to get on stage and receive your award when the time comes. So again, repeating, all the award recipients of the 5-year, 10-year, 15-year and loyalty awards, asking you to occupy the first 4 rows. And number 3, I still see a lot of people standing around towards the entry. So I kindly request all of you who are standing around to the entry to get in the hall and be seated, because let me tell you, you're missing out on a splendid performance. And I'm very sure my audience will agree with me. Am I right? That was very, very impressive, and I think all of you will agree with me on that, yes? All right, once again, thank you so much, Prashant, for joining us on stage and entertaining the audience. I didn't think he could sing that well, but he really took us all by surprise and managed to perform so beautifully to that beautiful Kannada number. Let's give another round of applause for him, shall we? And keeping in tune with singing, ladies and gentlemen, our next performer is also going to sing us a song from the location of our MV. Please put your hands together. Do you know who's coming on stage?
Hello.
Yes, indeed, it's Rakesh coming on stage. So, shall we all put our hands together and welcome Rakesh on stage? Yes, I think you've been wanting to see some dance happening on stage. So, ladies and gentlemen, again coming in from location, Umayya, please put your hands together and join me in welcoming on stage Bharat and team. A few announcements, ladies and gentlemen. Number 1, snacks will be served, so you don't have to excuse yourselves from your chairs and go to the counter where the snacks are served. Snacks will be served individually, so you all can remain seated and we'll have our hotel staff serving your snacks. Number 2, we only require the 5-year, 10-year, 15-year and loyalty award recipients to occupy the first 4 rows. The rest of the rows can be occupied by the rest of you people. I repeat, all the people, all the recipients of the awards of 5 years, 10 years, 15 years and loyalty awards, requesting you all to occupy the first 4 rows. Now back to some more dancing. Are you ready to see our next team get on stage and dance? I feel like you crave a lot more for dancing than singing. So ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you from Team ARF, please put your hands together and welcome our fusion dancers. The love is still not sinking in, still not sinking in. Thank you, thank you. Did you all enjoy the performance by our beautiful ladies out here? Then where are the applauses? Come on people, you can do better than that. Alright, slipping out of dancing and into singing, ladies and gentlemen. Coming up next on stage from location ARF, please put your hands together and let's give a warm welcome to Prem Anand. So let's put our hands together for the previous performance. What a beautiful performance. I can't believe she did the split. You know what will happen if I do the split? The ambulance will come rushing in, that's what will happen. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, a question going out to all of you. How many of you have been in love? I have, and I'll agree to that. How many of you have been in love? Have been, okay, how many of you are in love? How many of you went through a breakup? Almost everyone. I'm assuming you tried to chase her or him and he fell for the other guy and you're just left there broken-hearted, is it? Well, let's hope that's not the situation out there. But love is something that binds us all together. Love is something that makes us all feel one. And when you are one by yourself, an individual, you feel like you're the entire bit in the world. But when you meet your better half, your soulmate, there is no better feeling than that. And when your soulmate leaves you and go away, you're back to being half. Not one, but half. And when you're half, that's when you realize how full you were with him or with her. So our next dancer coming out from ARF, he's dancing out his love and he's dedicating this to his beloved, asking for her to be by his side. Ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful contemporary number. Please put your hands together and let's welcome them on stage.